also need to do. We
Stretch?
have. Yeah, we gotta stretch.
Oh,
we gotta do our warm
I'll find
ups.
that thing later.
I believe Matt has prepared another video for us.
I understand all the mascots now. If it is so ingrained in the culture that everyone knows what to do, you would need to change it up like that.
Right.
Because it's literally just like pumped into parks and stuff.
Animal Crossing.
Oh, jeez.
Who put this video together?
That's a good question.
These are like three of the most like sought after Animal Crossing animals.
Well, Pikachu showed up in one, so
The slightly different beats for the arms and the legs on this one throws me off every time.
Yeah, that's why I can't do it.
Hey! Oh, that one was really chill.
yeah,
Oh, that's good.
just like Animal Crossing, I guess.
All right,